How to find your purpose in life. Reflect on your values and passions. What are the things that are most important to you? What are you passionate about? Once you have a good understanding of your values and passions, you can start to look for ways to use them to make a difference in the world. Think about your strengths and talents. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? What are you passionate about? Once you have a good understanding of your strengths and talents, you can start to look for ways to use them to serve others. Consider your experiences and challenges. What have you learned from your experiences? What challenges have you faced? How have you overcome them? Your experiences and challenges can shape your purpose in life. Talk to others, talk to friends, family, mentors, and other people you admire. Ask them about their purpose in life. What advice do they have for you? Talking to others can help you to gain insights and perspectives that you may not have considered otherwise. Take some time for introspection. Sometimes the best way to find your purpose in life is to simply take some time for introspection. Sit down quietly and think about what is important to you. What do you want to achieve in life? What kind of impact do you want to make on the world? Finding your purpose in life is a journey, not a destination. It is something that you will continue to discover and define throughout your life. However, by following these suggestions, you can start to get on the path to finding your purpose in life.